I'll wait until I do my brushes, which, you know, is like never. There is a little bit of other color on here because all my brushes are perpetually dirty. And I'm going to take one of my endlessly dirty brushes. It's been brought to my attention that I don't clean my brushes. So in today's video, we're going to have a machine do it for me. So before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Let's get some clean brushes. I hope this is going to be enough like space for you to see what's going on. But basically I have this contraption and I already loaded it with some brushes just for like convenience and ease and speed and stuff. So basically what you're supposed to do, according to the directions, what do we do? So I'm going to put a towel down because it recommends that you do, just in case there's any like spillage and stuff. And then also for stability. So basically you have this little part, and this is called the Sonic Makeup Brush Cleaner, just in case you're wondering. But basically you have this part. This is where the water goes. I'm going to fill it up in a second. And it comes with these little cleaning pods, which basically look like Tide pod things. And then you stick it in, and then you put this thing in here, and then you put the brush part in the bottom, and then you turn it on and it cleans. So I've already put some brushes in here. I got a couple different kinds. I have one that's like flat. I have an eye brush. I have face brushes, another eye brush, and then a different kind of face brush. I kind of varied the brand too. I have Luxie, BoxyCharm, and ColourPop in here. So we'll see how this all goes. I'm going to go fill this up, plug it in, and then we're going to see how it goes. It's supposed to be like 2 minutes of, like you'll have clean brushes in 2 minutes. The other thing is you need to like wrap this so it comes like apart kind of, and you stick in your little brushes in this little section, and then you're supposed to wrap them tight so they don't go anywhere. So I did all that already because I just wanted to save a little bit of time, so I'm going to go get some water. So I got some warm water. I have my little cleansing thingy, and I'm just going to read this really quickly again. Just make sure. Okay, so I have the water. You drop this in, so you can't see it. So I'll just do it from this perspective right now. But so this is the water, and then you drop in the little cleansing pod into there, and then you hook this thing on, and then I put this little guy in here, and it like just slides right in basically. Oh my god. Yeah, it does. Okay. And then I'm going to plug it in, and the power source is over here, I believe. Yeah. Wait, what's this button mean? What's the second one? And check the wash light is engaged. I don't know what the wash light looks like. Is that the wash light? I can't see because it's facing you. I don't know. I guess it's... I don't know. Is it engaged? I don't know. Okay, and then press the on button. Oh my god. It's doing it. Oh my god, you can see how dirty the water is already. Can you see? Okay, so it just stopped on its own. I know I am wearing Grinch pants. Just ignore that. Just ignore that. Okay, so I'm going to, I guess, take them out. So let me see. Rinsing. Okay, so when done, remove the handle. Gently squeeze each brush head above the holder and base, wringing out the brushes. Okay, so this is the handle, I guess. Oh. Okay, taking that out. I'm going to zoom you back out a little bit so you can see. Oh my god. So it's a little like sudsy. Oh my god, but they look so clean. Alright. Can you see like the suds and stuff? Because it looks really clean. I'm actually really surprised. Oh my god, this is kind of really cool. This one might have to go through again because it had like a lot of product on it. So I'm going to go rinse this under the sink. I'm going to go rinse this under the sink, and then we're going to do some more eye brushes, I think. All right. Be right back. Okay. So I just rinsed these few under the sink, and there's one that I think I'm going to put through again. So look at this. Look how clean this water is. You see how clean that is? I mean, that's pretty amazing. And most people, like, they probably don't have this, so this can only do obviously like 5 brushes at a time. But most people don't really have as many brushes as I do. So this would probably be amazing for people who like have a normal amount of brushes. So yeah, this one's the only one that didn't get like super, super clean, and that's fine because it's a foundation brush, and these tend to be used, I mean, for me at least, more than once. And I'll put like product on. So, okay, so I guess I'll use the same water, and I'm going to do some of my brushes. So this one has some staining on it. Put it right there. I'm going to do, this one has a little bit of staining on it as well. So I'm going to do one more foundation brush. I'll do another, no, that one doesn't fit. Maybe I'll do, let's see, maybe a highlighter brush. No, this one has like rhinestones on it, so I don't know. All right, I'll do this blush brush right there. And then I have room for one more. This one? Yeah, I'll try that one. So I'll do this like really big poofy guy here. And then so you just wrap it up like so. Make sure it's very tight on all the brushes. And then I'm just going to put it back in and hit go. Session's over. I was able to make a phone call in the middle of that. You know, my hands aren't wet. So, it's so sudsy. I like that this like isn't attached. You know what I mean? Like I like that you can like pick this up separately and like bring it over and rinse it out and stuff. So we're gonna go rinse out this guy and I'll be right back. Okay, so this looks really good. I just can't, got a little slippery so I can't get them all out. The stains, I mean, this one's already like a pink brush, so that like, but this, I think it had a blue on it, and that's completely gone. This had red on it, and that's completely gone. Should probably dry my hands so I don't break my brushes trying to get them out. Yeah, that's completely gone. This one was the one that we did twice, and I think we're good. Let me check. I would say that's pretty clean. All right, I'm gonna keep going because I have a lot of brushes that need to be cleaned. Now the only problem is if your brushes don't fit in the handles, I mean, then you'll have to hand wash them. But so far I'm doing okay. Oh, you can do 6. You can do up to 6 at a time. Oops. I think I said 5, but you can do up to 6 at a time. Okay, this is my 3rd round. Looks pretty good. It says that you can use the same soap like multiple times, which is why I'm doing that. If you were wondering like why I'm just putting it back in water like this. It says that you can. So I'm gonna go rinse this off and see how it goes. I mean, I feel like we got the gist of it, but I'm pretty excited. Yeah, this one needs to go again, but again, it's like a foundation brush, so that happens all the time, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna just do a couple more, and then I'm probably gonna be done. All right, last one, I think. Very sudsy now. Yeah, I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna unplug this first. Okay. And I'm gonna go change the water. I'm just gonna take everything with me and be right back. So you can also leave it in this thing to dry. So I'm gonna do that with these remaining ones and just let them dry over here. And I put the rest in the back, which you can't see. I put them over here to dry on a tail. So that is pretty much it. I mean, yeah, I think that worked really, really well. I'm very happy with this. This was actually a gift because I never clean my brushes. Yeah, I think that worked really, really well. Yeah, these feel so clean. That completes this video. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 brushes that are clean. And, you know, hundreds more that aren't. But 21 brushes that are clean. And I definitely think this was, it's fun too. Like, but you can do other stuff while you're waiting for your brushes to be clean. Like, it doesn't have to be, you're not at the sink and you're not doing it. You know what I mean? Your hands, I mean, my hands don't really get as like wet and stuff. So I'm very happy with this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.